Hippo's hiccups. Hiccup. Hippo's hiccups. Hiccup, said Hippo. Hippo had the hiccups. His friend came to help. Hiccup. Drink water, said Giraffe, but that did not work. Hiccup, said Hippo. Spin around, said Zebra, but that did not work. Hiccup, said Hippo. Hiccup, stand on your head, said Monkey, but that did not work. Hiccup, said Hippo. Hiccup. Roar, said Lion. That did work. Lion scared Hippo, so no more hiccups. Thank you, said Hippo. Now can you help me to stop shaking?